Advanced healthcare directives are kind of a mirror image of a power of attorney. They deal with medical decisions, as the name would apply. A lot of people call that a living will. That's kind of an older term that is really not used in the professional capacity much anymore because it's confused with a living trust. But a healthcare directive basically gives somebody the authority to make healthcare decisions, and it is often thought of in terms of a life or death decision. Once somebody has a situation where maybe they're in a coma, it's irreversible, or a terminal illness or something like that, the question becomes, do they want to remain on life support systems and prolong life as long as is possible, or would they rather pursue a more natural death and not remain on life support systems? It's a little bit difficult for attorneys to be very specific in those kinds of documents because we're not medical practitioners. Medical science is a rapidly changing world. It would almost be impossible to draft something that could keep up with medical science. So really what it is, it's a statement when we're dealing with a life or death decision about what a person's wishes or desires are in the event that they find themselves in that situation. But ultimately it gives the decision authority to the agent that they're designating to basically consult with medical practitioners at the time or moment when they're faced with that circumstance, so they can take in all the available information from the doctors and then consider the wishes of the person who is in that situation in order to make the decision that is in line with what those wishes are. It's not a direct statement, I want this in this situation or I want that in that situation, because it would be impossible to do that.